I have to turn this hardware from gold to silver. And it's actually pretty easy, but you do need to do a few things to kind of make it look more real. And before I get any further, here's what it looks like if I just do it with AI. It looks great. AI did a fantastic job in converting gold to silver, and I'm sure that's what most people will do. The only problem I have is with the AI is that it just looks soulless, and I'm sure that will change at some point. But for now, here's a quick, easy way to do it in Photoshop. First thing you need to do, obviously cut out the hardware. Next, we need to do a solid color adjustment layer and change it to these settings right here. For the color I'm looking for, this code seems to work best. Next, change the layer blending mode to color. And it still doesn't look good enough at this point, so what we need to do is a few adjustment layers. Start with the hue and saturation. Play with the saturation and lightness until you kind of see something you like. Next, we need to do a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. That'll really kind of give it that shine that brand new hardware typically has. And just kind of play with the settings, try to make it look good. And then I think I like that, so I'm just going to go with that.